Welcome to episode 6 of our journey as we build our grain bin house. We are building a grain bin house that we plan on renting out as a short-term rental, a VRBO. So enjoy. Today, last week we poured the forms, as you can see those there on the left, and today they are pouring the concrete for the concrete pad. So it has to be a circle. The grain bin itself will be 27 feet in diameter, so the pad's going to be 28 feet in diameter. So it'll have to be a little bit over so that there's a ledge. You'll see that once it's finished. And here they are pouring a foundation around the circle to make sure it's nice and sturdy. And what we have here is 2 men in a truck, a concrete truck, and 2 men, and everything, lots of hard work. They have to shovel it. What they're doing now is they're pouring the actual pad. All the footers are in. The gravel is there in the center. As you can see, that was poured earlier from a gravel truck. And now they're just going to pour concrete on that all the way to the top of the form. I'm going to add some music to the rest of the process so that you can enjoy it. I did play it all out. It's just them pouring concrete, but it is interesting just to see how much work is involved and the trucks and the concrete. We were lucky. The weather changed right there near the end, and it got a little bit chilly that night, but we were lucky once it cured and everything. We didn't have any cracks or anything. The next video will be us actually putting the grain bin together. Well, we aren't, but there's a team coming out to do that. Very interesting. It was a 2-day process, so the next 2 videos coming up will show that process. Enjoy. If you have any questions or anything in more detail that you'd like to see that maybe I didn't post, just let me know in the comments, and I'm happy to provide that for you.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah,
Well, no, I'm saying that's good.